The game mechanics is first, the class would be divided into two and assign each group a visible number. Second, the teacher will present a math problem and the student will solve the problem individually. If the answer matches student number, the race to the bottle, first to reach the bottle and give the correct answer wins the round. Repeat for multiple rounds, awarding a 1 point per win. The student or team with the most point at the end wins and receive a prize. So let's get started.
So today we're gonna have an activity game. Are you ready?
Yes.
So the mechanics of the game is I will group you into two. This is group 1 and group 2. So I'm gonna give you some flashcards and I'm gonna show you some flashcards problem. So whoever gets the answer of the problem first will have to dash to get the bottle. Whoever gets it right gets a point, but we have to start over again if it's wrong. So we're gonna do it right now, right? Okay? So, ready? Are you ready? Okay. So the first problem is 3. What's the answer, Miss LJ? A. Is she correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. So now you know the game, ready?
Yes, ma'am.
So we're gonna start now. So first is this. What is the answer, Mr. Domingo?
80, ma'am.
Is he correct? Yes. Very good. Good one. You get the point. Next would be this problem. 13 plus 17. What's the answer? What's the answer, Mr. Domingo? Is he correct, class? Yes. Very good, group 1. So, group 1 wins the game, activity for today. Let's give them a round of applause.